Okay, in this video we're looking at adding positive and negative integers. And when we look at adding and positive and negative integers, we always have to realize there are two cases. The first one is when the signs are the same. When the signs are the same, the problems are very easy. The most basic signs are the same problem is just any addition problem, 3 plus 8. That's adding two positive numbers. I know everybody knows how to add 3 plus 8 to get 11. But if the two signs are negative, then all you do is you take the absolute value of those, which means negative 12 you think of 12, negative 5 you think of as 5. You do 12 plus 5, which is 17. But then you use the common sign. Since they're both negative, you're going to get a negative 17. So two negative numbers added together, you add just like they're positive, but then make the answer negative. So like on B, you're doing negative 4 plus negative 9 to get negative 13. Signs are the same. And so you add them up to get negative 13. And then you add negative 3. Signs are still the same to get negative 16. Okay, the second case then is the harder case, and that's when the signs are different. But it's really not any harder. You still take the absolute value of both the numbers, but this time instead of adding them, you're going to go through and subtract. So when you look at a problem and you say I'm adding two numbers together and the signs are different, I've actually got to subtract the two integers. So in A, I've got 8 and negative 13. Signs are different. So I subtract them. I do 13 minus 8 to get 5. However, we have to make sure that we get the right sign, and it says use the sign of the larger absolute value. Well, 13 is the larger absolute value, so that means the answer is a negative 5. You've got negative 12 plus 30. Signs are different. Subtract them. 30 minus 12 is 18. Which one has a larger absolute value? Well, the positive does, so the answer is just 18. On C, you have to do it multiple times. So the first two, when you add those together, signs are the same. So we go back to case 1, which means we just add them together to get negative 13 plus 8. Now the signs are different, and actually is exactly like A. Negative 13 plus 8 is just 13 minus 8, which is 5, and then you make it negative to get negative 5. The last problem, start with 18 plus negative 25. Signs are different, so we subtract. 25 minus 18 is 7. 25 is bigger, so that makes it a negative 7. So now we have negative 7 plus a negative 7. Signs are the same, so we add them together and make it negative, so it's negative 14. So remember, signs are the same, you add them together, signs are different, you subtract, and then you got to pay attention to which sign your answer is going to be.